Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue every car owner dreads: when your engine cranks but won't start. This problem can leave you stranded, but don't worry, we'll break down the most common causes and how to diagnose them. Let's jump right in. So first, what does crank no start mean? It simply means your engine is turning over when you turn the key or push start, but it doesn't fire up and run. The starter is working, but something is preventing the engine from starting. Every engine needs three things to start. 1. Fuel. The engine needs the right amount of fuel delivered to the cylinders. 2. Spark. To ignite that fuel and air mixture. 3. Compression. So the combustion process can happen. If any of these are missing, your car will crank but won't start. Let's look at the most common reasons your engine cranks but won't start. 1. Dead or weak fuel pump. If your fuel pump fails, fuel won't reach the engine. You can often hear a humming noise from the fuel pump when you turn the key. If you don't hear it, that's a red flag. 2. Bad fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter can block fuel flow. Over time, dirt and debris in your fuel system can cause this. 3. Ignition problems. No spark? Your spark plug's ignition coil or crankshaft position sensor could be bad. If these fail, there's nothing to ignite the fuel-air mixture. 4. Faulty crankshaft or camshaft position sensor. Modern engines rely on these sensors to know when to fire the spark. If they fail, the engine will crank endlessly but never start. 5. Bad battery or electrical issue. Even if the engine cranks, a weak battery might not provide enough voltage to the fuel injectors or ignition system. Loose or corroded battery terminals can cause the same issue. 6. Empty gas tank or bad fuel. It sounds silly, but sometimes the tank is dry or you've got contaminated fuel. Always check the basics first. 7. Security system or immobilizer issue. If your anti-theft system malfunctions, it can cut off the fuel or ignition, preventing the engine from starting. Here's how you can narrow it down. Check for fuel. Turn the key to on and listen for the fuel pump. If it's silent, that's a clue. Check for spark. Remove a spark plug and test for a spark using a spark tester. Scan for trouble codes. A cheap OBD2 scanner can tell you if sensors like the crankshaft position sensor have failed. Check battery voltage. It should be at least 12.4 volts. Anything lower can cause issues. And that's it. Those are the most common causes of a crank no start condition. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car repair tips, and drop a comment if you've had this issue before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.